Hey Sparks, what's up? And hello to my new subscribers and new viewers. My name is Montina, and my mission with this channel is to inspire, educate, and share information that will help you thrive in life and thrive in business. If that sounds good to you, subscribe. So in this video, I want to actually talk to you about business credit. And specifically, I want to talk to you about a business credit card that I recently attained through Sam's Club. Now, I don't have the name of the gentleman right now, but I'll put him down in the links below. But I watched the video, and I'll tell you, I'm always learning. I have business credit, I have good personal credit, but I'm always still watching videos and learning. And the thing with this that was appealing to me was that there was no personal guarantee. And he said you go to Sam's Club, apply for the business membership, apply for the business credit card, and don't put down your social security number, so there's no personal guarantee. And I thought, okay, I'll try it. Went out that next day and did it, and I was approved for a Sam's Club membership business credit card, $12,500 a year. Yay! No personal guarantee. Now, I did have my Dun & Bradstreet number, so my DMB, and I do have an 80 Paydex score, so I have a very good Paydex score, which I'll talk about in a separate video about why I decided to pay and not play when it comes to DMB. So yeah, go and do it. Sam's Club, you will need a DMB number. My business is more established, so I'm not sure. His business, I think when he did it, was about 6 months old, and he was approved. Now, here's the caveat with the card. It's through Synchrony Bank, and you know I talk about business credit card banking family, so it's in that family, and it's for Sam's Club exclusively. So I'm like, oh my gosh, I don't really shop at Sam's and Walmart, but my understanding is if you hold that card for 6 months, and I might go buy a few things, then within 6 months you want to go back and apply again to get the actual MasterCard that can be used anywhere within, you know, the US or all over the world. But you don't have a personal guarantee, and this is the first card that I've ever seen work that way. So again, leave me a comment below and let me know if you're going to go check it out. And again, I'll leave his name in the comments below as well. So guys, if you have any questions around business credit, I love talking about it. Let me know so I can answer them for you. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.